Oh,
Hi, Santa came.
good morning, Ernest.
Wow.
Like me.
You're real? Oh my goodness.
Oh. You guys can sit over here, right?
Wallet.
After the pierogies last night, there isn't any.
Where?
Coffee and toast and cinnamon buns on the way. We're not gonna open everything. There's stockings. A wallet
Open
number?
the stockings for now. It's
Well,
just
he's
the.
gotta start somewhere.
Such a big set.
He says,
Spider-Man toothbrush. Maybe we might have to put something in it
Oh, Jacob, look at
for
this.
the man with the family.
He says,
Oh, he's got something in his mouth.
Oh,
Cookie.
cookie.
and
Oh,
what?
he's eating Santa's leftovers. He
Wow.
says you gotta sustain yourself.
Thank you so much, Santa.
Thank you, Santa, wherever you are
Yeah.
in the sky.
Jackpot.
Wow, should we put one in?
After a while, eh?
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
after a while. I wish I could.
Wow, you got a princess one.
Which one did you get, Michaela?
A princess
Oh, you got a princess ball. Oh. Whoopee.
And what
Oh.
kind of ball did you get, Mr. Mouthful of Cookies? Where's your ball?
He says, I'm eating
Can I see? Oh, how pretty.
Cinderella.
Ooh,
Oh, he got a Winnie the Pooh, and you got what?
beautiful.
princess
Cinderella.
A Cinderella doll or princesses?
Prince Cinderella.
I love it. We'll learn to catch the ball sometime while you're here, right?
So look at me, Nana.
Look at me, Nana.
Wow, is that yummy? Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's throw it in the cup.
She was watching me, and I said, "Don't watch me, watch the ball."
Oh, presents.
Don't look at me, Nana.